Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So it's another day, so another travel day. Let's hope this flight doesn't get canceled or delayed this time. One thing I'm mad that I forgot at home was my camera. I love bringing my Sony camera. I forgot it in my room, so I'm gonna have to be vlogging with my iPhone the whole time. So hopefully the sound quality isn't too bad. But so far everything's going well. The flight says it's on time, so fingers crossed that it doesn't get delayed or canceled like my last trip to Peru. But this time we're flying so we have to connect from Orlando to Miami, Miami to Kingston, because there's no straight direct flights to Kingston, only to Montego Bay. But since we're not going to Montego Bay, well, so then this trip I'm going with my mom and my friend Ryan, and so the first half of the trip we're going to be at an all-inclusive resort in Trewlawny, and then the last half of the trip we're going to stay in Kingston where my dad lives. So I'm going to visit my dad for early Father's Day and go to a friend's wedding. So I'm super excited, so come along with us as we travel. All right guys, so we just arrived in Miami International Airport, and one thing I really hate about this airport is that it's so huge. So to get from our gate, which was gate D34 to D1, is probably a 20-minute walk if I had to guess. And every time we pass by like all the food places, it's making me more and more hungry, because I've been up since 4:45 this morning to get to Orlando. But I'm glad we make it here, and our flight to go from Miami to Jamaica is on time, so that's good news too. But I just want to get to our gate. Still got I don't know, we're at D20. Still got 19 more gates to go. I think my mom is like way back there. She's a slow walker. All right, there goes Ryan in the front. He's walking the fastest, but he said he don't mind the walk because he's like, I'm getting my steps in. But yeah, where are we at? 17, 16 more gates to go. Okay guys, you won't believe what just happened. So when we got off the plane first, they made us go to D1, right? As soon as we got there, they changed the gate. Now we had to go back to the same gate we were originally at D34. I was like, I hope it doesn't change one more time, because it's about a 25-minute walk each way. So okay guys, so we finally made it to Kingston. When I got to the immigration line, guys, I gotta tell you a story. So they make everybody go through a chaos machine, which is weird, because when I try to go through it, it says go see an officer. So I waited in line about 30 minutes. She basically asked me, did you fill out that form online? And I showed her my email. She said, what's the number? So then I sent it to her, and then she's like, where are you staying at? What hotel? And then she's like, okay, you can go. I'm like, oh my gosh, I was so annoyed, because like I really miss getting stamps in my passport. That's the whole point of seeing a person. Now everything is digital. It's like, why give us a passport book? I feel like they should just give us a passport card. Now I'm waiting for my dad to come around, and then we can head to the hotel. Okay, update guys. We are in the car now on toll roads, and you can see mommy back there, she's sleeping. So we have about an hour and a half ride, and then we'll be at the hotel. And Ryan's back there. I guess he's reading, because he likes to read a lot. And that's my dad. He's driving right now. But I'm excited that everything went smoothly. None of the flights were canceled. So I'm glad to be here, and the weather is nice. Well, it's a little overcast right now, but that's normal during the summer, because it's just like Florida. They have their rainy season. But it will, even if it did come, it will be here for a few minutes then go away. It's just like Florida. Rain for a few minutes and then it's sunny again. So
Future reference, Water Park, 9 to 5. You're taking the kids, alright? Yes. We are the kids, you know?
Yeah, kids at heart.
All right, so taking a golf cart, taking a ride.
Thank you.
Get to We're in Trewlawny. What kind of question is that? Oh my God.
This is Trewlawny. I'm sorry.
The trick is the resorts. They say you're in Montego Bay, but it's not. It's for sales purpose.
Oh.
Yeah, you're in Trewlawny. You're in.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, man, beautiful. You get like food up there, restaurants,
Right there,
bar,
okay.
disco, coffee shop. It's like a big yard. And I come down at 5, so at your own risk after 5 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. And across the food, the red stuff are the jerk. Red stuff is like seafood, jerk, chicken, jerk, pork.
Where's that at?
All right, guys. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour because we literally just arrived, and it's 6 o'clock Jamaica time. They're an hour behind us, but I'm gonna start from the balcony and then work our way in. So this area is like the living room. They got a couch, a table, some storage underneath there where the dresser and the lamp is. They have one USB, and then I gotta show you the balcony. This is cool because it's a very spacious balcony, and it has a little hammock thing and 2 chairs and a table. So I'm gonna walk out real quick and show you the view from our balcony. Look, the sun's setting right now, and there's the kids' water park from our balcony. And we'll walk in real quick and show you the rest of this place before we go get dinner. So I booked one bedroom, 2 queen size beds, since it's 3 of us sharing a room. Normally I would do a 1 king size bed suite, but since 3 of us are sharing, we decided I'm doing 2 beds. There's the TV. And then they have a phone on this side and 2 USBs right there. And then I think over here is, yeah, more storage. Okay, so this is the bathroom. So there's a toilet on the left, and it has double sinks. All the towels are under here. And I like this bathroom because it's very spacious, and it has a little hot tub, but it's only enough space for 1 person. And then I gotta show you it does come with the, what is this? Hand wash and lotion. And then it has a rainfall shower head, which I really like. And there's a shampoo and body wash. And then I wanna go over here. So in the closet, when you first walk in, you can hang stuff here, and then there's more storage on the bottom. Yeah, and I think they said at the front there's a safe somewhere, but I gotta find it. And over here it has the water bottle coffee area. Oh, there's the safe. The safe's under the first drawer I pulled out right here. And they said that the mini fridge in here, they restock it once a day. Everything here is included, so the sodas, the water bottles, the beer. Because we're all at an all-inclusive hotel, so it's all included. And then over here is another closet. Oh, it's an umbrella in case it rains. And then what's on this side? More storage. Yep, there's nothing else in here. And then they have this little table you can put the suitcases like we did here. And that's pretty much it for the room tour. So I really like it. It's very, I like how they have the maps on the wall. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna try the Sugar Cane West Indian restaurants because I really wanted to do the Indian one, but they're not open today. So we'll try this one and do dinner here. Okay, so menu is starters, soups, entrees, and dessert. This is what I'm gonna be getting: the rice plantain and barbecue chicken, the pumpkin soup, the oxtail, and a fruit cake. And this restaurant is walk-in. The only 2 that you have to make reservations for is the Japanese one and the Italian, yeah. Okay. So the appetizer just came up. My mom ended up getting the yam. I ended up getting the plantains. Ryan's camera doesn't eat first in his food, but yeah. Okay, guys. So I ended up getting the pumpkin soup. My mom got a Caribbean soup, and I don't remember the one Ryan got, but this is what we got after our appetizer. We got a starter, and then the main entree should come out after that.
Wait, that's what.
Okay, guys, so I had to end up with a Miami Vice, which is half pina colada and half strawberry daiquiri, only because what I originally wanted was a mojito, and they said we didn't have mints. so they couldn't make the first drink I wanted. Then I was like, can I get a Bob Marley Daiquiri? It's basically almost like this, but it has green, red, and yellow colors. And she's like, she didn't have the mango or whatever the other reason was. So I'm like, all right, I'll just settle down for my Miami Vice. So just end up getting this, and it's refreshing. So for the main entree, I got the oxtail. It comes with 3 oxtail and the rice and peas. Mommy got the fish. She wanted a snapper, but they didn't say they have snapper, so they had a different fish. And then the bok choy. And Ryan got the Korea goat. Okay, we got 2 different desserts. I got the fruit cake, and then my mom got the sour sop, but it looks more like fun.
It's more fun.
Okay, after dinner, we're gonna go walk across the street to the sports bar. Ryan wanted to come here earlier, but mainly to see what you can eat. But I just wanted to check it out, only because I've never been to this resort, so I just wanted to see where everything was at and what they had to offer. So well, that's cool. You can play pool here. They got 2 pool tables to the right, and then they have a whole bunch of TVs here. That's cool. You can watch games. And they have, I like how they have all the basketballs around here. They have a main bar right here in the middle. That's cool. They have all different jerseys on the top, and you can watch TV, the games, and they have outdoor seating. Okay, so right next to the sports bar is a disco, which is their club. So I just want to go check it out real quick and see what's about. I don't even know if it's open. We shall see. Well, yeah, it's early, so there's not really much people there. Okay guys, in the disco bar I got this drink. I don't remember the name of it, but it's pretty good. Okay, so we're at the ice cream shop, and there's the flavors for the ice cream place. You can get coconut, strawberry, vanilla, stout, or rum and raisin, and I'm gonna get rum and raisin. That's my favorite flavor here every time I'm in Jamaica. Okay guys, so I couldn't review my ice cream. It literally melted in 2 seconds as soon as they gave it to me, but it was really good, and they ran out of flavors really quickly. I heard people in line say they couldn't get vanilla, they couldn't get strawberry, but I got what I wanted. And then I want to show you right across from the ice cream spot, there's a place you can watch movies. So literally across from the ice cream there is called Showtime, and it's a actual large movie theater, and these are some of the movies you can watch. They're old showings, they're not like stuff that's playing in theaters right now, but it's a nice big theater. I just want to show you real quick what it looks like on the inside. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna check out the virtual reality planet. Looks like an arcade, but we're gonna go in and see what they have. Oh, it's like one of those things you gotta pay to do it. So this is the package for the VR that you would like to do, and these are some of the virtual games that you are allowed to do in here. Okay, so inside of the coffee shop, it's called Mike's Coffee. You can get like tea, you can get water, and they also have pastries like muffins, croissants, and there's some sandwiches that you can get inside of here. Cheese sandwiches, and carrot cakes, bagels, they have tea, and their coffee menu is huge. You literally can get almost anything you want. And then they also have hot tea there too, so that's pretty cool. Donuts. There's outdoor seating, indoor seating. That's pretty cool. Almost like a little Starbucks or something. And it smells really good in here. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Their hours, in case you guys are wondering, is oh never mind, I thought that was the hours. I don't know. I don't know what time they close. I'm assuming like what everything else, 6 to 10. Let's go find my mom now. She split up for a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna Ryan wanted to be silly at the end of my video. I want to end the video here of day 1 at the Ocean Coral Spring. I'm gonna continue this video, show you guys more of the resort tomorrow in day 2, because I feel like if I do day 1 and day 2 together, this video is gonna be like an hour long. So I'm gonna split up the days into 2 separate videos. So I hope you guys enjoy watching us travel from Orlando to Miami, Miami to Jamaica. Glad everything went smooth, no cancellations like my last trip or delays. I mean, it was delayed only for a few minutes in Miami, like 10 minutes. So it wasn't bad. We're to the point where we wasn't gonna get there today. You know what I mean? And I'm glad I was able to see my dad. So happy. It's been a few years. Last time I saw daddy was in 2023, so about 2 years ago. And since the month is month of June, it's basically Father's Day month, so I got to celebrate Father's Day early. And then this resort is really nice. Like I said, I haven't got to do everything because we got here late in the evening. So today we just had dinner at the Sugar Cane restaurant, which is their Jamaican restaurant. Ryan and my mom didn't really like their food too much because he said his dish was too salty. My mom didn't like her fish. But I enjoyed my oxtail and my pumpkin soup. That was really good. And then we got to check out, we tried ice cream from the ice cream shop, and I loved my rum and raisin, but I do recommend going out early because they do run out of flavors. I heard people not getting vanilla or strawberry. And then we went to the sports bar, checked out the coffee shop, and basically that wrapped up day 1. Like I said, I want to show you more tomorrow, which will be the beach, the pool, the bowling alley, the lobby. I didn't really get to show too much because, like I said, I was just really exhausted from a long travel day, been up since 5 a.m. But hope you're enjoying this Jamaica trip so far. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next venture. Bye.